Introducing Wet Soft Wash Drone Cleaning Technology, a perfect alternative to pressure washing that uses a soft wash technique to perform a soft wash cleaning, giving you an easier and safer way to access higher spaces that are often hard to clean. That's right, our revolutionary commercial drone will now make it easier to clean 2 to 10 stories of structures with any dimension type from the ground, taking residential and commercial property cleaning to a new level. No need for ladders, scaffolding, and high-rise boom lifts. Keep workers on the ground to create a safer environment. Our drones follow FAA guidelines and can service up to 160 feet in height and are proven to successfully take various buildings and structures from dirty and filthy space to one that looks brand new. We have proudly cleaned everything from storage tanks, golf course clubhouses, church steeples, apartment buildings, suburban homes, hotels, business properties, and commercial spaces. And your space can be next. Get in touch with us today to enjoy a budget-friendly cleaning service that will leave you proud of your structure without indulging in any unnecessary risk.